Are we entering a future where robots seamlessly blend into our daily lives? Meet Unitree's G1 and the ElizaWakesUp project, pushing the boundaries of agility, intelligence, and human-like interaction. From walking on rough terrains to engaging in real conversations, the future of AI robotics is finally here. Unitree G1, revolutionizing robotics. Unitree's G1 robot is changing what we think robots can do. It can walk and jog on rough ground, balancing like a human. In recent videos, people were amazed by how smoothly it moves and how quickly it recovers if it stumbles. The G1's natural movement and speed make it look more human than ever before. This robot is not just about walking. It can do many tasks that humans do. It can perform kung fu moves, cook meals, hammer objects, and even weld metal. People are excited about how fast Unitree is improving the G1, with new updates coming almost every month. Another exciting feature of the G1 is its ability to work with other robots. Using a system called POS Mesh, G1 robots can share information and work together efficiently. This means they can complete tasks faster and smarter without needing much setup. With all these features, the G1 robot could be used in many areas, from factories to homes. It may soon help with jobs that are too difficult or dangerous for humans. The future of robotics is here, and Unitree's G1 is leading the way. The POS Mesh system. Smarter coordination. POS Mesh is a special system that helps Unitree's G1 robots work together more efficiently. It allows multiple robots to share information with each other in real time. This means they can move and complete tasks without getting in each other's way. With POS Mesh, robots can understand their surroundings better and work as a team to get things done faster. One of the best things about POS Mesh is that it reduces extra work. Instead of each robot figuring things out on its own, they can share maps and data. This helps them save energy and avoid mistakes. For example, if one robot finds a better path, others can follow it without having to search for it themselves. Another big advantage is that setting up these robots is easy. They don't need complicated instructions because they can learn from each other. This makes it possible to quickly deploy a group of robots in places like warehouses, hospitals, or construction sites. With POS Mesh, Unitree's robots are becoming smarter and more useful. They can work together like a team, making them perfect for many jobs in the future. ElizaWakesUp, the most advanced humanoid. ElizaWakesUp is an exciting project aiming to create one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever. Built on Unitree's H1 platform, it's designed to look and act more human than any robot before it. Eliza has a realistic silicone face that can show emotions like happiness or surprise, making interactions feel natural. Its advanced hands can pick up and use objects with great precision, almost like human hands. The robot's brain is powered by a smart AI system called Eliza OS V2. This system allows Eliza to have real conversations, make decisions, and even perform complex tasks. It can think and respond quickly, connecting with both digital systems like blockchain and real-world environments. What makes Eliza truly unique is its emotional intelligence. It can understand and respond to human emotions, making it more relatable and helpful. For example, Eliza could assist in roles like caregiving, teaching, or personal assistance. The creators of ElizaWakesUp want to bridge the gap between humans and robots, making machines that feel like companions rather than tools. With its lifelike design and advanced AI, Eliza is a big step toward a future where robots and humans work and live together seamlessly. Cutting-edge specifications of Unitree H1. The Unitree H1 robot is packed with impressive features that make it one of the most advanced humanoid robots today. It stands about 180 centimeters tall and weighs around 47 kilograms, making it similar in size to a human. The robot can walk at a speed of over 1.2 meters per second and can even run at speeds up to 5 meters per second. One of the most exciting features of the H1 is its powerful battery. It can run for more than 8 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for long tasks. The robot also reacts very quickly, with response times of under 50 milliseconds, allowing it to handle real-time tasks smoothly. To navigate its surroundings, the H1 uses special 3D cameras and sensors that provide a full 360-degree view. These cameras help the robot detect objects and move safely, even in complex environments. The H1's strong joints and motors give it great flexibility and strength. It can work in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for different conditions. With these advanced features, the Unitree H1 is ready to take on a variety of jobs in industries and homes. ElizaWakesUp, a glimpse into the future. ElizaWakesUp is not just a robot, it's a step into the future. This advanced humanoid is designed to look, move, and think like a human. With a lifelike silicone face, Eliza can show emotions such as happiness and surprise, making interactions feel real. Its hands are also highly advanced, allowing it to pick up and use objects with great skill, just like a person. What makes Eliza special is its smart AI system. It can have natural conversations, answer questions, and even make decisions on its own. Whether it's helping around the house, working in an office, or assisting in healthcare, Eliza can adapt to different roles easily. One of the most exciting things about Eliza is its ability to learn and improve over time. It can remember past conversations and respond better with each interaction. This makes it feel more like a companion rather than just a machine. ElizaWakesUp is showing us what the future of AI-powered robots might look like. With its emotional intelligence, smart decision-making, and realistic movements, it could soon become a part of everyday life, helping people in many ways. The role of advanced robotics in industry. Advanced robots like Unitree's G1 and ElizaWakesUp are changing the way industries work. These robots can perform many tasks that were once only done by humans. For example, they can weld, carry heavy items, and even cook food with great accuracy. This helps companies save time and money while making work safer for people. One of the biggest advantages of using robots in industries is their ability to work without getting tired. They can run for long hours without breaks and still perform tasks perfectly. This makes them useful in factories, warehouses, and even hospitals where work needs to be done all day and night. Another great benefit is that robots can work in dangerous places. They can handle risky jobs like working with chemicals, exploring unknown areas, or lifting heavy objects. This helps reduce workplace accidents and keeps workers safe. In the future, more industries will start using robots to do everyday tasks. With their ability to learn and improve, they will become even more helpful. Robots like Unitree G1 and ElizaWakesUp are leading the way in showing how technology can make industries more efficient and safe. Future prospects and challenges. Robots like Unitree G1 and ElizaWakesUp have a bright future ahead. As technology improves, these robots will become even smarter and more useful. In the future, they could be used in homes, offices, and hospitals to help with everyday tasks. They might assist the elderly, work as personal assistants, or even help with education. Their ability to learn and adapt will make them a big part of our daily lives. However, there are also some challenges. One concern is that robots might take over jobs that people do today. Many worry that this could lead to fewer job opportunities for humans. It's important to find a balance where robots help people instead of replacing them. Another challenge is safety. Robots need to be programmed carefully to make sure they don't cause harm. They must follow rules and be monitored to prevent accidents. Privacy is also a concern because smart robots collect a lot of data about people. Even with these challenges, the future of robotics looks exciting. If used wisely, robots can make life easier and safer. With the right rules and guidelines, they can become helpful partners in our everyday world. Excited about the future of AI robots? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing updates.